Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate Zelle on your phone for contactless payments, follow these step-by-step instructions to set up your account quickly and start sending money securely. Step 1. Download the Zelle app from the App Store or Google Play Store, or check if your banking app already has Zelle integrated within its features. Step 2. Open the Zelle app or access Zelle through your bank's mobile app. If using your bank app, look for the Zelle option in the main menu or payment section. Step 3. Tap Get Started or Enroll to begin the activation process. You'll be asked to provide your email address or mobile phone number to link to your Zelle account. Step 4. Select your bank from the list of participating financial institutions. If your bank is listed, you'll be redirected to log in through your bank's secure portal. Step 5. Enter your bank account credentials when prompted. Then select the account you want to link to Zelle for sending and receiving money. Step 6. Verify your identity by confirming the one-time code sent to your email or phone number. Enter this code in the app to complete verification. Step 7. Review and accept Zelle's terms and conditions, then confirm your enrollment. Your Zelle account is now active and ready for contactless payments. Step 8. Test your setup by sending a small payment to a trusted contact or requesting money from someone to ensure everything works correctly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.